I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. I have a beautiful wig to talk about, to install. She is gorgeous and she's giving body, okay? Today's hair sponsor is one that I have worked with before. Let's give a warm welcome back to Wiggins. It's been a minute since I've collaborated with them. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 HD frontal wig. This is the body wave texture. This is in the density 250%. This wig comes glueless and ready to wear. Pre-plucked natural hairline, pre-bleached knots.
Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me.
You should be able to just put this on and wear her, so let's just see.
I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be.
Listen, in 2023, 2024, look at that hairline. Take in the hairline. The hairline is hairlining. They are. Look how nice and flat that's laying. There's no lace tint on this lace, you guys. Wow. I'm gonna put all the hair back. Some lace spray. So this is the one I'm gonna be using today by Eben, and I'm just gonna go over. We're gonna do it in sections, but I did the majority of the perimeter of the hairline, and anywhere else we'll do after, but yeah, that should be most of it. I'm just gonna put the band on.
That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable.
Wow, very impressive. This wig is just amazing so far. I'm very impressed.
I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a host force of me. But self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything.
The next thing I'm gonna do is cut the ear tab. First, gotta figure out where I want my ear tab to be. Push that up. Okay. Looking really good so far. I'm really happy with how this is turning out. I'm taking my time, and if you want a perfect install, you just gotta take your time, and that's what we're doing here. And you can see it's looking very good, very natural. This wig absolutely does not need any baby hairs, but sometimes you just like it for the look, you know? It's created so well.
Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, when you want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me?
We're definitely gonna clean up the part. Even though it looks good, it just looks better when you define it a little bit more. You guys know the palette that I'm using. This is my palette that I always use, Clay Play. I prefer to use powder rather than cream because cream somehow like transfers underneath. It's just the perfect scalp color for me. It works every single time. Wow. I'm gonna just see about finger combing the hair and let's see what it's giving. Okay, so the curls look good, but I'm just gonna recurl a few sections. I'm holding it. I really want that curl to set and mold. Okay, that is done. We recurled the hair and now I'm going to use some of my Bio Silk to just comb through it for the final time. What do we think? Ooh, look at that. I refinessed the curls, but believe me, you could take this wig fresh out of the box and install her. You wouldn't be able to tell that you didn't get this slayed by a professional. It's gorgeous. Quality is definitely there. Super soft as I run my hands through it. I'm loving how it's feeling. The density is so nice. Tall girl, I need long wigs. The longer the better. 24 inch is like a standard length for me. Anything shorter than that, I consider that short. So for me, this length is definitely giving. Anybody would want this wig, and if you're shorter than me, 24 inches is gonna be your dream length anyway, regardless, okay? Because it's just what you want. You can always make a wig shorter, but you can't make it longer. So if you get a shorter wig, you can't make it longer on those days when you want it longer, okay? Look at this, guys. Look at how beautiful she is. It's just perfect, guys. It gets a 10 out of 10. The hairline, the density, the texture, everything is just beautiful. I love it. The hairline coming pre-plucked and ready to go, like chef's kiss. So pretty, easy to style, easy to curl because of the texture. I've been combing through it like this since I curled it, recurled it, and it's holding up very nicely. I love that. Like, it just looks so pretty. You couldn't tell already, like, I'm obsessed, and you'll be obsessed if you decide to get this wig. Then I'm sorry, you're missing out. I'm living my best life. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. If you're wondering if this wig is Caviar Kez approved, it most definitely is. Baby, get into it. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Those are my final thoughts. I hope you found it helpful. Amazing. Go check them out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? You might as well do so. I always do giveaways, cash giveaways, wig giveaways, all kinds of giveaways over here on my channel. You for sure gotta have your notifications on, so don't forget to do that as well. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.